Oh my god, that's fucking insane. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck was that noise? I got distracted. Oh my god, I still have no ammo. I still have no ammo. Oh, let's go. Oh shit. My back hurts. Ah! Oh! I'm fucking scared. I just saw someone move over here. I just saw some. Alright, I'm good. Alright, let's move it. You go first. You go first. Alright, fine. Ah! Oh my god. These motherfuckers are just popping out of nowhere. Oh. Oh my god. Stop doing that. Like, goddamn.
I need a sec.
Oh my god.
Come on, fuckers, come on. Pussy ass bitches, come on.
Get fucked, pussy. What the fuck? No!
Everybody either uses the fucking M4A1 or the fucking hat honey badger. How about you fucking choose something different, you fucking using that exact fucking same setup? I guarantee you suck your dad's fucking cock. How about that one? You suck your dad's fucking dick. Bitch. How about you fucking try dip. I'm laying down.
Yeah, we lost. We lost. Good game, guys.
I lost, so I'm crying. Wait. You guys suck. Wait.
Oh shit. More people on that hill, more people on that hill, more people on that hill. Yo, cover me, I'm reloading. I'm reloading. No more, there's no more people. Fuck, sorry. Oh shit, we both killed each other. Oh my god. Yo, Zaddy, I'm just behind you. Yo, I meant to kill you, but I had no ammunition left. So, listen, I'll let you take B. I'll let you take B. Rip. Oh fuck, he just exploded. Nah, if he's alive, I'm gonna be fucking shocked.